Hello again. Thanks for having me. In our previous lesson on Microsoft Word, we learned the different ways or steps we can use to open the Microsoft Word software from our PC. In today's tutorial, we are looking at the interface and what Microsoft Word is about. Now, to start with, we will take it step by step. The first thing we will look at is the Home tab. We can see that the Home tab has a symbol like a house with the home inscription under it. This is actually what is selected, which means that the Home tab is what we are currently seeing. Now, if it is the first time you are opening Microsoft Word, you are not going to see all these files here. These are documents we have done recently, so they can show here. But if this is the first time you're opening, you are not going to see anything here. Now, the Home tab, as I said, is what we are currently looking at, which gives us an opportunity to create a blank document or access template, which Microsoft has already built for us. Now, the next tab on it is the New tab. On this New tab, we use it to create a new document or a new project. So anytime we open Microsoft Word, we have an opportunity to create a new Microsoft Word document. The next tab under it is the Open tab. Now, the Open tab allows us to open documents which we have already saved. Okay, so we create a new document and then we save them, and then the next time we open Microsoft again, we are going to use the Open tab to access the already done document. Aside this, there are a few things we would also like to consider. That is the control area. We have the minimize button to minimize our software, yet not closed. We can just click on it back and then it will enlarge for us. We have the enlarge or the restore button for also allowing us to restore the sizes of our window. So once we click on it, the window will reduce in size. We click on it again and then it will restore the size. We also have the close button, which we use to exit the software totally. Aside that, we have the Help Center, which we can view other help or assistance with regards to Microsoft Word. We also have the Microsoft account also here. So if you are signed in into your Microsoft account, your account name will show up here. Good. With that said and done, we will move on to the next lesson, which we will create a new document for ourselves. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next tutorial.